Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off 24-hour time format on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on general. Next, go down and tap on date and time. Then in here, tap on 24-hour time. Tap on the toggle button to turn off 24-hour format, or you can turn it on to allow 24-hour format. If you switch it off, it will simply show as an AM/PM format. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.